Now that you know what CPA marketing is, in this video, I'm going to be walking you through the different types of CPA offers that you can use to make money with CPA marketing. So this website that I am right now is ogrs.com. It's one of the best CPA network out there that you can use to make money with CPA marketing. So now whatever network you register on, be it OGRs or CPA Grip, I'm going to show you the different types of CPA offers that you can promote to make money. So the first thing you want to do once you come over to your CPA Grip account, you want to go over to the offer section. So if I click on offers on OGRs, as you can see right here, there are numerous offers that I can start making money with on OGRs. Okay, as you can see right here, it says filter by category. You can see this is app install right here. So if you click on app install, it's going to show you only app install offers on OGRs. As you can see, we have email submit right here. You can see there are other categories that you can go for. Okay, and also you can come over here to filter by country of your choice, and also you can select whatever device you want right here. Okay, so now for CPA Grip, you can do the same thing as well. All you just need to do is come over to my offer section right here. All right, so once you come over to my offer section right here, you are going to see your country here automatically, or you can come over here and choose any country of your choice, and you will be shown CPA offers available in that country. And also you can see there's also category right here on CPA Grip. You can see right here they have mobile install offers right here, pin submit, survey offers, trial offers, and the list goes on, as you can see right here. So basically, if you want email submit offers, all you just need to do is click on email submit right here. So once I click on that, as you can see, it's going to show me only email submit offers available in United States right now. So basically now all I just need to do to promote any offer is click on the offer, and this is the link to this offer right here. So basically what this means is once the visitor comes to this landing page or this offer page, all they need to do is to enter their email and you make money. It's that simple. All right, so basically as you can see right here, if I go over and click on this mobile install right now, you can see there's no mobile install offer available in the United States right now. So basically if I click on all countries right here, as you can see right here, this is an app install offer right here. As you can see, this is Argentina right here. So basically, if I get anyone from Argentina to download this app right here, I'm going to make $2. All right. So basically, it's that simple. You can just basically select any category right here, and you can select all countries, and it's going to show you the offers available in that country depending on whatever category you select right here. So basically those are the types of CPA offers that you can use to make money with CPA marketing.